We've got breaking news now coming in. We are learning that a protest broke out in Ladakh for statehood. The protesters have gone on hunger strike. 2 protesters have been admitted to hospital already. These protests are being led by Sonam Wangchuk. And in fact, we are also reporting that protesters have clashed with the police. We've got this information through our sources. We are learning that fresh protests have erupted and stone pelting in Leh after 2 residents who were sitting on a hunger strike for the past 15 days with climate activist Sonam Wangchuk were hospitalized. Post striking down of Article 370, Ladakh is now protesting for statehood, 6th schedule and also tribal status. These are the latest visuals coming in from Leh. Protest has erupted in Ladakh for statehood. Protesters have been sitting on hunger strike for the past 15 days. Now 2 protesters reportedly have been admitted to hospital because of their condition. Protesters have clashed with the cops. Stone pelting has also been reported amid the clash. These protests were being led by Sonam Wangchuk, the climate activist. 2 protesters have been hospitalized. Post striking down of Article 370, Ladakh is now protesting for statehood and 6th schedule and tribal status. It's a developing story. We'll try to get you more details straight from the ground. As of now, these are the latest visuals coming in straight from ground zero. As people are getting impatient. Joining us on the phone line to provide us more details. Mehraj, what are the latest information that you have picked up straight from the ground? How long these protesters, are planning to sit on the ground, and what about the new clash that has erupted between the protesters as well as cops?
Well, Sakshi, there is no end to this protest. It seems so, and we can say that this protest erupted after 2 supporters from Sonam Wangchuk fell ill, and we can say that those supporters are said to be females, and that those were admitted into hospital. Then after that, the clashes erupted, and suddenly the youth who were doing the protest, as we can say that silent protest, then became violent, and then they start pelting stones on establishments, especially Council Hill Development Office, and then police used tear gas to calm the protesters. But so far tension has been escalated, and many vehicles, we can say, have been put on fire. But so far police is trying to make protesters calm, but tension is going now. It is actually the matter that Sonam Wangchuk is demanding that there should be 6th schedule, and that Ladakh should be included in 6th schedule, and there should be statehood announcement as soon as possible. But so we can say that it is a huge demand, and we have seen protesters and silent protesters from Sonam Wangchuk and his supporters since a long time. But they are really talking to MHA, and as we got that MHA have given October 6 as the date of new meeting. But we can say that as after two supporters fell ill, the supporters who were in the protest of Sonam Wangchuk came angry and violent. Then they started this clashes with security forces, especially with Jammu Kashmir, with Ladakh police. But so far we can say that police is trying to make protesters calm, but they are not trying, they are not getting and hold upon that protesters. But we can say that situation is right tense now. Yeah, back to you.
Mehraj, looks like, the protests have taken a violent turn. We are looking at some visuals coming in of a building being set on fire. Could you please tell us what exactly is that? Have the protesters, torched the BJP building there?
Well, this building is not clear from officers that this building belongs to BJP. But yes, that is a building that belongs to a political party that has been cleared by the security forces and top officials there. But we can say that many such structures, especially transport vehicles, have been put on fire. And so far tension escalated since this morning, and we can see that police is trying to make hold of this protest and control the protest. But so far we can say that protest is going on, and it is definitely that this protest will not come over as soon as possible. But we can say that police is trying to make protesters calm. Yeah, back to you.
Current ground situation, Mehraj, if I could ask you if, the violent protests have been contained as of now, or is the clash still going on? Is the situation still volatile?
Well, Sakshi, clashes are still going on, but the intensity is now being brought under control by Jammu and Kashmir police, by Ladakh police. But we can say that this protest is not going to end as soon as possible, because the demand they are demanding is since pending from long time, and they are taking it as a failure of government of India and government of Ladakh as well. And that is what Sonam Wangchuk is presently pressing, that demand as well. And it is the demand of Sonam Wangchuk since a long time, and that we can say that Sonam Wangchuk has been pressing this demand and has also protested at Jantar Mantar last time. And we can say that this demand is pending since a long time, and people of Ladakh especially taking it as a failure of Jammu and Kashmir government, Ladakh government and government of India as well. But we can say that MHA has constituted a high committee, and next date of the meeting is on October 6th. But we can say that before that this tension escalated among protesters and security forces there, and we are seeing that such clashes are right now going on, but intensity has been contained. Yes, back to you.
Action coming in from the political party, Mehraj. Do we have any officials speaking about, these protests going on? Because it has been going on for quite some time now.
Well, there is no reaction from Kashmir politicians, as UT Ladakh is a separate UT, and so far we can say that the politicians there, especially Sajjad Karbala, who belongs to and have recently fought election but lost that, we can say that they are saying that this is failure, utter failure of union government and the government of Ladakh as well, and they are supporting the protest but not the violent means, we can say. So they are the protesters are getting support politically as well, but every politician is said that violent means is not permitted, and we can say that we have to protest but not as violent means, as Sajjad Ali Asgari Karbala said. And we can say that protests are going on, but police is trying to calm the protesters back. Yeah.
Also, with regards to this upcoming, Home Ministry's meeting, which is scheduled to happen on October 6th regarding this very issue, Mehraj, if you could highlight what are the demands that the protesters are planning to put forward?
Well, they have demands like inclusion in sixth schedule and announcement of statehood for separate Ladakh, and then Sonam Wangchuk, as we know that he's a environmental expert and he is an activist of environmentalist. So we can say they have 4 points which they are put forward in the meeting, and they are presently forwarding that with the MHA, and we hope that there will be a meeting on this, as earlier meeting in Delhi have not brought fruits according to them. But we can say that let's hope what will be next in this meeting. But they are putting these demands in front of MHA.